I want you to say about PM Modi sir?
हाँ बोल दिया भैया जो बोलना है।
माइक जरा पीछे ले लो।
बच्चन सर एक माइक
So Rihanna, first of all, you're looking absolutely great.
Thank you.
Just speak of something about the attire you're wearing, the jewelry.
Oh, alright. I'm wearing a Zara dress by my lovely stylist. Gets the most amazing stuff for me, and I'm wearing Lubies on my shoes. Yeah, that's what I can say, I suppose. I think it's a very important time, you know. I mean, people need to start using, reading up on skincare. A lot of people still don't know what actual skincare is about. So I think it's a really nice guide for, you know, a simple sort of guide. People can read it, understand more about their skin, know what they should and shouldn't do. And I think it's really nice that Jayashree's done this because she's an amazing doctor. So, yeah. I take care of my skin, or just like you know, Jayashree said before, she said you have to be beautiful inside out. So if you're not happy with it, it won't show from the outside. So I think eating right, exercising is very important, and maintaining a nice healthy diet and using the right products for your skin is very important. It's such an honor, you know, to be on stage with such amazing personalities such as Mr. Bachchan, Neetu ji and Priya ji. And I think they're such lovely people as well. So they've all sort of lent their support. They're very special to Jayashree. And I think it's really nice that I was fortunate enough to be a part of this event as well.
So the festive season is around. All the festive season is around. Diwali is just
yes.
How do you just celebrate Diwali and any of your memories?
Yeah, I don't celebrate these festivals because I get confused. इतने सारे festivals होते हैं, मैं भूल जाती कि कब, no, what's when, and it was Ganpati, and then it was suddenly the Mount Mary Fair, and now it's Navratri and Dussehra, and I lose count. But more than anything, I just sit at home and relax as much as I can. So I wish everybody a lovely festive season though, and play safe. You know, try not to disturb the neighborhood until too late in the night because we're sleeping. But yeah, that's about it.
Okay, then on a bad skin day, what's your recipe for the skin?
Call up Jayashree. Call Jay. खत्म नहीं हो चुकी है अभी तक. It's a little bit remaining, but it's been an amazing experience, and the trailer launches out on the 10th. So tell me what you think when it comes out. Thanks. I just did. I just wished you all. Yeah.
I just love Dr. J, and I think she's fabulous. And she.
उस पर आप कुछ लिखना चाहोगे तो किस विषय में लिखोगे?
किसी भी सूरत से मैं आपको लेखक दिख रहा हूँ. ये लोगों के मन में ऐसी एक धारणा है कि मैं लिख सकता हूँ, लेकिन सच्चाई है कि मुझे लिखना आता नहीं और ना ही मैं कभी इस लायक बनूंगा कि कुछ लिख सकूँ.
But we always see you on the tweet also. आप जो कुछ भी लिखते हो, कभी इतने सालों में
जी वो ट्वीट होता है
हाँ,
और वो फेसबुक होता है और वो ब्लॉग होता है, लिखाई नहीं होती है.
बट कभी किसी कविता, आपकी बाबूजी की कविता कुछ you would like to write something?
बाबूजी की कविताओं को मैं कभी-कभी उनका दर्पण आपको देता रहता हूँ, लेकिन स्वयं कुछ नहीं लिख पाता. मेरी मदर कहती थी जब उनसे पूछा गया कि बाबूजी के बारे में, उन्होंने कहा था कि one poet in the family is enough. There's never been another poet.
Yeah, Dr.
Thank you
Jayashree,
so
over
much.
here. Yeah, here.
The
straight
gentleman on
back.
the right.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations for writing a book on such a great topic. I would just like to ask you, since Amitabh Bachchan, he himself is a legend, no doubt you invited him to launch the book. But since the topic relates to women, so why didn't you opted any of the other leading ladies or beautiful ladies from Bollywood? Why Amitabh Bachchan?
He's my guru.
Thank you.
He's.
I'm just coming to you.
Yes, something like this was told to me earlier, something, but for me, ever since I've kind of realized who I am, he's my guru. I follow him. You know, people have Oshos and people, I mean, with due respect to everybody, with all the gurus, for me, he is everything. He's my father figure. So I can't picture anybody else, and he's already told you how many times I trouble him. and bother him and tell him about each and everything that I'm doing. And never ever can I have anybody else blessing me. I mean, I love everybody of you, all of you here, and I have the blessings of all of you, but he's just my guru.
Bachchan Sahab, can I just get the pleasure to ask one question with you, please, sir? No doubt, Bachchan Sahab, you are the legend, and a legend like you are. Sir, here.
okay.
Since you are a legend, और आप जैसे legends centuries में पैदा होते हैं, कहा जाता है.
ये epithets मत लगाइए उसके साथ. I'm not deserving of it. Thank you.
No, sir, you. So, sir, but in the inception of your career, people used to laugh at you. They used to make fun of you.
Yeah, they're still laughing at me and making fun of me.
Yeah, yeah. So, how did you just tackle those minds? Like, how you just cleaned up those minds, sir?
I use skin talk and I clean myself out.